Hey everyone, it's me, your girl from Levent Reaction. Yes, another day at panibagong araw na naman po tayo ngayon. And today ay magre-react po ako sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. So, syempre, mahaba-habang episode ito. So, itong i-react ko na video is nakuha ko to siya sa TikTok. And tatawagin natin din ito siyang part 1, episode part 1 ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. So, kung ikaw ay baguhan sa akin channel, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell para naman ay updated ka sa mga videos na ina-upload ko sa akin channel. Kung gusto mong manood ng more about Kim Pao ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, ay huwag ka nang mag-alinlangan mag-subscribe. Tara, samahan niyo po akong manood ng clip na ito. Episode 1, Part 1 ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim.
Okay po.
Alright, I think we're ready. Good luck, team. Open the doors.
Okay po. Let's go!
Hello, sir. ETA, please.
15 minutes.
Copy po.
Bongga, naka-helicopter. Si boss.
Thank you again. And by the way, looking good, Doc Almazan. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. Ah, hello, Miss Sarah? ETA niyo?
Girl! Na-delay yung flight ng mga VI.
Hala!
Ng mga...
Oh my God. Alam nyo guys, is nakita ko po yung original ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. At talagang na-amaze din ako kasi yung isa ding empleyado doon sa Korean version is talaga bagay na bagay ni Angeline Quinto yung character. As you can see, parang yung character niya is like pabida, something like that.
Fam! Inabot kami ng rush hour dito sa Rose Boulevard eh.
Hi, Doc Ralph! Belated happy birthday. Nako, don't worry. Be the best tayo, hindi ba? Okay, lipo kayo dyan sa may Apolinario Street. Hi, Miss Sheila!
Ang ganda ni Kim.
Ayan. Apolinario,
Fairness.
liko daw tayo dito.
Sige, hindi kayo aabot sa dulo. Okay, liko kayo dyan sa may eskinita. Hello, Dr. Tan! How was Tokyo?
Doon daw, sa kanto.
Nice photos. Enjoy the night. Salamat po. Okay, tapos kaliwa kayo dyan sa may Fuente Street. Pag nakarating na... Steph, okay ka lang?
Po,
Okay ka lang?
yes, I can.
Okay. Thank you. Tapos kanan kayo, tapos kanan ulit, tapos bago mag-stoplight, kumaliwa kayo, tapos U-turn. Oo, at sa pang-apat na kanto, kumaliwa kayo.
Doon daw, sa pang-apat na kanto.
Basta yun na yun, kailangan ko na ibaba tong phone. Okay, bye. Ingat.
Sekim 1, GPS 0. Di kaya AI si Sekim?
Kim, this is beyond the crisis.
Angeline.
This is Armageddon. This is doomsday realness.
Sir Walt, relax. Zen. Breathe in.
Ito yung nakikita ko sa teaser.
Breathe out.
Paano ko makaka-zen mode? Mawawalan tayo ng license to operate.
Akong bahala. Let's go.
Oh, di ba?
Isa sa mga regulators ninyo ang
Kumbaga,
nag-drive
leave
sa
it to
tao
me,
namin.
girl.
For what, though? Para mapabilis ang approval ng bago ninyong asthma medication.
Hi, Dr. Villa. Kimberly Liwanag po.
Of course, I know you, Secretary Kim. But where's your boss?
She speaks for him. Please excuse me.
Hala.
Dr. Villa, there must be a misunderstanding. We never jeopardize our approvals.
Kaya nga ako nagulat. Dahil Prime Alpha has always been diligent pagdating sa mga proseso. But we can't let this pass. The internal investigation will start tomorrow.
This is going to be a big PR disaster kapag nag-leak to sa press tomorrow. Ma-overshadow tong launch.
More than that, mapapasara ang Prime Alpha dahil sa pag-bribe ng tao nyo.
I'm sure wala pong kinalaman dito si boss.
The Food and Drug Board values our relationship with PMC. That's why I'm here to personally tell him about this fiasco.
Ang gwapo ni Paulo. OMG. Ang gwapo niya talaga, sobrang neat. Diba? Bagay na bagay sa kanya talaga yung
Dr. Villa,
character.
please let us take action first bago niyo po ituloy ang internal investigation. We'll handle this first thing in the morning, resubmit the proper documents, and hahanapin po namin yung tao na nag-bribe sa tao ninyo.
Secretary Kim, this is an urgent matter. If this is a delaying tactic,
Bro, wait. How's your chopper ride? Hindi naman kaskasero yung driver?
Hindi po. We're willing to cooperate and take legal action against that person to make sure they're answerable for their wrongdoing. And we'll also make sure na hindi na ito mangyayari ulit sa Prime Alpha because we do not tolerate corruption here.
Ay bro, nagmerienda ka na ba? Masarap yung carbonara dun sa bar with peppermint tea. Or, like, bro, yung buhok mo. Magulo.
Yun.
What are you talking about? I look perfect.
Oh, diba?
If hindi po namin magawa by tomorrow, then you're free to investigate us. If necessary, revoke our license to operate.
deal.
Alright.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Grabe. I wonder Kim has done it again. Nasave niya yung license ng company.
Sekim 2, Crisis Zero.
Si Anggi talaga ba, uy? Ang kulit ni Anggi. Like, oh, posing ng post.
Impeccable as always, boss.
Pabida
Any problems?
talaga.
PMC, kasi yung...
Amateurs ba ang nasa team ko or the best of the best?
Everything's under control, boss.
Basta
Thanks to
si
Sekim.
Secretary Kim, everything is under control.
Who do I need to fire?
Ano? O, diba? Okay, so there you have it, guys. So, yun po ang episode 1, part 1. So, may kasunod pa ito, part 2, part 3, something like that. Basta episode 1. So, ayun na nga. First, ang masasabi ko, yes, nakita ko na yung original. But then again, guys, wow, napakaganda. And makikita mo talaga na meron, yes, adaptation siya. But makikita mo talaga yung similarities, but I think the venue or event lang ang something magkaiba, something like that. And yes, siya. Yes, napakaganda and makikita mo talaga si Kim no na kumbaga pinapakita niya sa atin na yes, siya yung karapat-dapat or tama ang pumili sa kanya na maging maganap ng Secretary Kim sa What's Wrong sa Filipino adaptation. And also, ang Paolo Avellino ay napakagwapo and of course alam naman natin yung character niya, hindi ba, doon sa original, and masyadong mabilib sa sarili, something like that, and merong pagkahambog, ganun. And ayun na nga, bagay na bagay kay Paolo Avellino yung character kasi especially sa yung expression niya, Yung seryoso siya, serious type, and napaka-swabe, something like that. Yes, napaka-perfect. And also, kay Angge, talagang masasabi kong tama silang pinili na magganap ng isa doon sa empleyado na very jolly and pabida, and yung hindi mo maintindihan yung attitude niya, something parang medyo pagka-inggitera, na pabida, something like that. Pero ewan ko lang dito sa adaptation na, kasi noong nakita ko parang ano siya, gusto siya pabida, maging papansin din kay Boss Paulo, kung ikaw ang nanood ng original. But dito, iwan ko lang kung ano ang character, ay kung ano pa ang mas character niya dito. And makita naman natin na talagang makulit si Angge dito. So, I really like na makita si Angge na, yun nga, para habang tinitingnan ko talaga si Angge, is nakikita ko rin, binivision ko rin yung nasa original. Then, parang may pagka-similarity talaga, pero ewan ko lang kasi part 1 pa rin itong nakikita natin, guys. So, ayun na nga. Sana ay nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, guys. And if you like this reaction, please let me know in the comment section. And see you to my next video, guys. Bye for now!